Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Fit window. First, let's identify the common problems you might encounter, such as a window that won't move or moves slowly. Next, you'll need to figure out if the issue is electrical, like a bad switch, or mechanical, such as a faulty motor or regulator. Finally, make sure you have the right tools, including screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and a multimeter, before you begin. To diagnose the problem, start by testing the window switch. If other windows work, the switch might be faulty. Next, remove the door panel to access the motor. Use a multimeter to check for 12 volts of power reaching the motor when the switch is pressed. If there's power but no movement, the motor is likely bad. Also, visually inspect the window regulator for any broken cables or bent tracks. Once you've identified the faulty component, it's time for the repair. If the switch is bad, simply unplug the old one and plug in a new replacement. For a failed motor, unbolt it from the regulator and install the new motor, ensuring all connections are secure. If the regulator is damaged, you'll need to remove the entire assembly and replace it with a new one, carefully aligning it within the door. After replacing the necessary parts, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully put the door panel back in place, ensuring all clips and screws are secured. Before fully tightening, test the window's operation. Make sure it moves smoothly up and down without any grinding or sticking. Confirm that the window fully closes and opens, providing consistent and reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.